Hi, thanks for joining. Hi, good evening. Thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Hi, good evening. Thanks for joining. We will wait for some more people to join and then start the show. Hi, good evening. Thanks for joining. Hello, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. All right, I think we have an audience. We'll get on with the show.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Shoes Eternity Sunday Live. Today we have a lot of varieties to showcase in the video. So we will start with our jute cottons. We have cotton silks. We have muslin silks, very similar to what I am wearing today. We have tussar silks. We have pen kalamkari or chinoor silk. A lot of people were asking for pen kalamkaris. We've got one more new lot. And then we have ikat silks. We have Bangalore silk. And then we will end our show with Kanjivaram silks. So it's going to be a very interesting session. People would like to buy these sarees. Please click on the link that will be posted in the comment section. The link will be active post the live session is over with all the sarees that I showcased in the video today. And we also undertake stitching and embroidery service. So please go ahead with your order first. Fill in the Google form that you will get in your mail with your measurements. If at all you have any queries, you can always get in touch with us in our WhatsApp number. People at Chennai, please drop into our store, which is at number 27, Hindi Prachar Sabha Street. We strictly follow all COVID protocols. So with that, let's get started. What I'm wearing today is a pure muslin silk saree. It's a beautiful peach colored saree. Very pretty gold woven borders on either side of the saree, and the whole of the body has very pretty jari woven buttas, and it comes with a pretty pallu, jari pallu, and a fully woven peach color blouse. I have matched it with a contrast green color brocade blouse. The price of the saree is 4950. With that, let's get started. Let's start with our cotton silk sarees.
Yeah, this is saree number 1, priced at 1490, 1490.
So this is a nice Mambra yellow with red combination. The whole of the body has beautiful patola printed patterns with very pretty borders on either side. It's got a traditional patola printed pallu and a self-printed red color blouse.
Saree number 1, priced at 1490. Moving on to saree number 2, priced at 1780, 1780, saree number 2.
This is a green with a mustard combination. Patola patterns all over the body, printed patola patterns. And that is going to be the pallu, the nice printed pallu, and a self-printed green color blouse.
Saree number 2, priced at 1780, 1780. Up next is saree number 3, priced at 2680, 2680.
So this has got full tissue all over the body with very pretty woven borders on either side of the saree. It's a beige with a pink combination. Very pretty pink color jari border on either side of the saree. Beautiful tissue borders, tissue body, and it's got a nice pallu in pink and a fully tissue pink color blouse. Very pretty saree. We do have colors in the same pattern.
Saree number 3, priced at 2680. 2680. Moving on to saree number 4, priced at 2680. 2680, saree number 4.
This is a gold with blue combination. Both the sides of the saree have beautiful dull gold jari border. The whole of the body has nice tissue patterns in it. tissue checkered pattern. The lower half of the sari has beautiful paisley buttas in blue and a running pallu, and this comes with a tissue blue color blouse.
This is sari number 4, price at 2,680. Moving on to sari number 5, price at 2,680. 2680, sari number 5. Hi, good evening. Thanks for joining.
Next we have the same pattern but in a different color. This is a gold with red combination. Gold jari borders on either sides of the sari. A self-minute checkered pattern in the whole body. The lower half of the sari has beautiful paisleys. And that's going to be the pallu, a running pallu. And a contrast red color blouse.
Sari number 5, price at 2,680.
Moving on to muslins. So this is going to be the same color as what I am wearing, but with a different motif in the whole body.
Yeah, this is sari number 6, price at 4,950. 4,950.
It's got a beautiful flow. The sari has a very nice flow. Very pretty colors. All these are going to be pastel shades in muslin. So that's going to be a woven border and the whole of the borders. It has peacocks and floral buttas, and the whole of the body has nice round jari woven peacock buttas, a jari pallu, and a fully brocade woven peach color blouse.
Sari number 6, price at 4,950. 4,950. Moving on to sari number 7, price at 4,450. 4,450, sari number 7.
This is a nice grey. Floral borders on either sides of the sari, a very classy color. Gold jari buttas all over the body, diamond gold jari buttas all over, a nice jari pallu, and a fully brocade grey color blouse.
Sari number 7, price at 4,450. 4,450.
Next, a lighter shade of what I am wearing. It's a light peachish baby pink.
Sari number 8, priced at 4,950.
The borders have Yane butta, floral and manga buttas. Very pretty diamond jari woven buttas all over the body. Excellent color. It's a light baby pink, a jari pallu, and a fully brocade woven blouse.
Sari number 8, priced at 4,950. Yeah, this is sari number 9, priced at 4,950. 4,950.
So this is going to be a handloom tussar. Beautiful gold jari borders on either sides of the sari. This is a mustard with a chocolate brown combination. Gold borders on either sides. The whole body in the upper portion has a plain mustard. The lower half has a checkered border along with a nice onion pink. A jari pallu, a striped jari pallu, and a plain chocolate color blouse.
Sari number 9, priced at 4,950. Moving on to sari number 10, priced at 4,950.
This is going to be a very different sari. It's got a white and black checkered floral patterns all over the body. The borders of the sari have jari in it, and the upper portion has an orange border. Lower half has a nice magenta pink border. And that's going to be the pallu, a beautiful jari pallu, and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 10, priced at 4,950. Moving on to sari number 11, priced at 4,950. 4,950, sari number 11.
This is a beautiful green with blue combination. Comes with gold jari borders on either sides of the sari. A very pretty checkered patterns in the whole border in the lower half. A nice striped jari pallu and a plain blue color blouse.
Sari number 11, priced at 4,950.
Moving on to our soft silk with raw finish.
Yeah, this is sari number 12, priced at 5,980. 5,980.
This is a beautiful Rani pink with dull gold jari borders on either sides of the sari. The upper portion has a smaller border, the lower half has a bigger border. A very pretty Jari pallu in pink. And a plain pink color blouse.
Sari 12, priced at 5,980. Moving on to sari number 13, priced at 5,980. 5980.
This is a nice blood red. Beautiful gold Jari borders on either sides of the sari. A very pretty Jari pallu. And a plain red color blouse.
This is sari number 13, priced at 5,980.
Next, we'll move on to our chinook silk.
Starting with sari number 14, priced at 4,680. 4,680.
This is a beautiful cream base with dancing dot buttas all over the body, as you can see. A nice Radha Krishna pallu and a plain cream color printed blouse.
Sari number 14, priced at 4,680.
Next we have a nice yellow and grey combination floral pattern.
Sari number 15, priced at 4,680. 4,680.
The pallu has nice Vinayakar in the pallu, beautiful pallu. Very pretty floral patterns in the whole body in mustard. Comes with a grey color border on either side of the sari. And it comes with a grey color floral blouse. Very pretty sari.
Sari 15, priced at 4,680. 4,680.
Get me to that.
Moving on to sari number 16, priced at 4,680. 4,680. Sari number 16.
Dancing dot buttas all over the body, blue color borders on either sides, floral borders. A very pretty Radha Krishna pallu and a blue color floral printed blouse.
Sari 16, priced at 4,680.
Next we have pen kalamkari on sungadi.
Sari number 17, priced at 5,480. 5,480.
This has got a nice Ganga Jamuna borders on either sides. Full Bharat pattern in the whole body and the borders. A red color border in the upper portion, green color in the lower half. Bharat pattern all over the body. That's going to be the pallu, a green pallu. And a cream color contrast blouse.
Sari number 17, priced at 5,480. 5,480.
Moving on to our ikat silks.
Starting with sari number 18, priced at 6,950. 6,950.
Fluorescent green with blue. Beautiful fluorescent green body with ikat woven patterns. A plain blue color border in the upper portion and a tissue border in the lower half with ikat woven patterns. That's going to be the pallu, a beautiful blue color pallu and a plain blue color blouse.
Sari number 18, priced at 6,950. 6,950. Moving on to sari number 19, priced at 6,950.
Beautiful orangish tone with green combination. It's a double shaded orange with bottle green. Half plain green color border in the upper portion. That's going to be the whole body. A woven pallu in green and a plain green color blouse.
Sari number 19, priced at 6,950. 6,950. People who are looking to buy these saris, there will be a link posted in the comment section. It will be pinned for your reference, but please click on the link after the session is over. It will be updated with all the saris that we are showing in the live today. So this is sari number 20, priced at 6,950. 6,950.
Next we have a maroon with a mambre yellow. Beautiful borders on either sides of the sari. The lower half has a nice woven border. The whole body has very pretty woven patterns. A mustard woven pallu and a plain mustard color blouse.
Sari 20, priced at 6,950. Moving on to sari number 21, priced at 6,950. 6,950. Sari number 21.
This is a cream with a black with a pink combination. Beautiful woven border in the lower half. The whole of the body has nice ikat woven patterns. A pink fully woven pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Sari 21, priced at 6,950.
Moving on to our Bangalore silk.
Sari 22, priced at 6,280. 6280, sari number
We have a
22.
beige with a rust orange combination. Plain body with beautiful woven borders on either side of the sari. That's going to be the whole body. A very pretty jari pallu in red and a plain red color blouse.
Alright, this is sari number 22, priced at 6,280. 6280. Moving on to sari number 23, priced at 7,980. 7,980.
A black with a red combination, extremely good color combination. Beautiful woven borders on either side of the sari. The whole body has nice brocade patterns. A very pretty jari pallu in red and a plain red color blouse.
Alright, this is sari number 23, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 24, priced at 7,980.
Starting with
7,980.
our Kanjivaram, affordable Kanjivaram. It's going to be in 7 range today, 7 to 8 range maximum. So this is going to be an iron butta concept, a nice navy blue with purple combination. The whole of the body has beautiful jari woven floral buttas, very pretty woven borders on either side of the sari. A nice jari pallu, very intricately woven jari pallu in purple and a plain purple color blouse.
Sari number 24, priced at 7,980. Yeah, this is sari number 25, priced at 7,680. 7,680.
So this has got a beautiful peacock border on either sides of the sari, slightly smaller border than the previous sari. The whole body has iron butta concept again, a nice mustard with a pink, beautiful jari pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Sari 25, priced at 7,680. Up next is sari number 26, priced at 7,980. 7,980, sari number 26.
A pink with a blue combination. The whole body has beautiful jacquard woven patterns. Very pretty navy blue and purple color border on either sides of the sari. Excellent sari. A jari pallu in navy blue and a plain navy blue color blouse.
Alright, this is sari number 26, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 27, priced at 7,980. 7,980, sari number 27.
This is a green with orange combination, very similar to what we saw earlier. With reticule borders on either sides, beautiful woven jacquard pattern all over the body. A nice jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Sari 27, priced at 7,980. Sari number 28, priced at 7,980. 7,980.
This is a beautiful ink blue with pink combination. Very pretty floral borders on either sides of the sari. The whole body has nice jari woven buttas. A very pretty jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Sari number 28, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 29, priced at 7,980. 7,980.
This is a light baby pink with purple combination. Very pretty floral borders on either side of the sari. Jari woven buttas all over the body. Very nice and an elegant color combination. A beautiful purple color jari pallu and a plain purple color blouse.
Sari number 29, priced at 7,980. Up next is sari number 30, priced at 7,690. 7,690, sari number 30.
Amazing checkered embroidered pattern all over the body. Peacocks in the borders. Full butta woven patterns all over the body. Extremely rich saree. It's going to be the whole body. Beautiful Jari pallu in pink. And a plain pink color blouse.
Sari number 30, priced at 7,690. Alright, so the last sari for the session, sari number 31, the deal of the day sari. It's the pure organza silk sari. The actual price is 6,950 and the deal price is 4,950, 4,950.
This is a light chocolate brown with pochumpally designed patterns all over. Comes with silver color jari border on either side. Full butta, jari woven buttas all over the body. A nice green color jari pallu and a plain green color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 31, priced at 4,950. That's all for the session.
So that is it for today's session. Thank you so much for joining. The link is active. You can go ahead with your purchase. You can also log on to www.shoeseternity.com. Under live sarees, you'll find a tab called Wednesday Live. Under live sarees, you'll find a tab called Sunday Live. Click on the tab to look at all these sarees. We also undertake stitching and embroidery. Please go ahead with your order first. We do totally for prepaid orders. Please share your measurements in the Google form. If at all you have any queries, you can always get in touch with our WhatsApp number. So that is it. Thank you so much for joining. Please stay indoors, stay home, stay safe and happy shopping. Bye-bye. I think you have enjoyed today's video. So please stay tuned to our page and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube for more interesting videos. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye-bye.